The night was fading by the sea. I knew it was time to part, but when you leaned into my arms, the wind grew quiet. Your tears were shining in the dark like fragile stars that tremble bright. I brushed the wind back from your hair and wished the tide would just slow. The ocean wind kept drifting on. It carried words unspoken, and somewhere in that restless air our hearts could not turn away. So let the ocean wind go on, let every quiet moment be, for in the hush of parting hours your name still rides the ocean. 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 Your name still rides